Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Indus Trader YouTube channel and welcome you all to the post market analysis and hope you are seeing green today. Yes, we're going to discuss about that, and in the starting of the video itself we are truly going to see the technical aspects today, and because I was somewhere engaged today, so I am not able to cover the news concepts, so I'm so sorry for that, but from tomorrow it will be as usual. So now if you see, Nifty almost gained 215 points and closed at 21,453. Coming to Bank Nifty, almost like you can say, how can we say, almost near to yesterday's closing, right? 67 points positive and 45,082 is the closing price. And coming to Sensex, 683 points gained and closed somewhere near to 71,054. And as Bank Nifty, same with the Finance Nifty, almost near to 0.3 we got. But some interesting thing you need to watch is the VIX. At morning, if you see, sometime the VIX have rallied a lot, you can clearly see here, and thereafter in the second half we have seen some consolidation and thereafter a correction in the VIX. That is a good sign. Now coming to Nifty, let's see Nifty. Before that, let's see the index movers. So if you see, can you identify something like the topper of the list in last 2 to 3 sessions, especially now he is the last bencher today. You can clearly see almost near to 3% down, and thereafter it can be some sort of profit booking. Yes, just the case similar with the Reliance, right? So hopefully very soon we will see this in top places. So yes, coming to all the banks which we have seen, especially HDFC and Reliance, whatever, these two stocks along with Indus, these three are dragging Nifty as well as Bank Nifty in previous few sessions, but today they have sitting in the first row. So this is happy to see. And coming to only dragged by Axis Bank, yes, Axis Bank results are a little bit of disappointing and it's okay. So these two banks are dragging, and remaining majority you can see. That's the reason Nifty managed to close 1% above. Coming to, if you see sectors, only consumer durables, and a part of that this is negligible, and you can see IT sector is top performing today. And yesterday if you see, IT, oil and gas, FMCG as well as metals, these four are dragging, and today the same four are pulling back. So this is interesting. And coming to, if you see banking, only these two banks as I said. So these are movers, but if you see in our levels, so these are our previous level which we used to follow. But yesterday I have given only one level by assuming that. But if you remember, as I committed in the previous post market video, I said I will come live at 9 a.m. and you can clearly see at 9 a.m. I have started the live. And before that we have shared some other stuff about global market areas and everything. And yesterday video itself we have said I am expecting a gap down, and by the way today I carried long position, so tomorrow I am expecting a gap up. And if you see, after that I messaged this gap down we discussed in the video, and thereafter you can see today I am expecting sideways consolidation, not big moves. And yes, the logic shared in the live, but surprisingly here again I went wrong. So what in the means of I went wrong? See, I shared in the live that at the near to closing price Bank Nifty will expire, and that happened. But to be frank, this volatility is not expected. But yes, I made money in this particular move. I did not made money in this, but yes, I have captured this down move and I have captured this final up move. Whatever this long positions I have covered. The reason is, if you see, already market is taking support at these levels, and at the time I went and checking continuously of any impact from the global market, then obviously global markets are everything trading in green, so that indicated me at least I should get a cover here. So even technically I am getting support from the level, so I covered this move as well as this move. But surprisingly I have done this in Bank Nifty, this particular down move and this I have covered in both of these indices today. And yes, as we discussed, we are not going to trade some days in the bank nifty, but we're going to change the trend. So the important doubt we usually get now, is this a trap or like is this the proper reversal sign? So I say, don't worry or don't think it's too early to say it's a reversal sign, but yes, you need to wait for the confirmations. As we discussed, it's not like one green candle and again we are expecting a reversal from here. Maybe it's like short covering or things, so we need to get. But one thing we can surely look at here is, until and unless our technically levels are supporting, because I'm taking little bit of not I'm negotiating the view of bearish, because you see this is one demand level which we have discussed. Yes, we got a move from immediate reaction from this level, but if you see we have a rejection on the top, so we need to just check out. But until and unless this particular levels are holding, then I give importance to the long signals from tomorrow. At least this level, at least a day candle should close below 44,246, then I would change to bearish. And see, it's not a big task for and it's not a big thing. See, until and unless news environments are going on, see, as today we got some Japanese market, especially we got some interest rate cut in that particular government, and Hong Kong, you already see that all this global positivity, and we are reacting to that, and also some of the news in our domestic market, we are reacting to that. So the January is the month. See, the reason usually we have our budgets on the February. On February we have our budget decision, so usually second half of the January seems to be like this. In if you even backtest previous data, it is the common thing, because positions, whenever we have big event, we usually readjust the positions, or people will like big smart money will take the proper hedge, or they will close, or they will try to keep their quantity light. So that's the reason profit booking and rollovers and all this stuff happens. That's the reason we see this sort of movements in the market. And coming to, I already discussed about Feb 1st in a weekly analysis video that day, what you should do. If you have watched, completely okay, but if you have not yet watched, then I will show you just a second. So yes, this is the video. You can see 2 days before, Fed 1 F&O expiry plus big alert. This video you need to watch, because I have explained everything in that video. So without wasting much time, so let's see what are the tomorrow's plan. And as I said, this level is holding, then I am giving importance to the technicals as of now. So yes, I know other whatever the concerns are indicating to the bearish, but yes, this technical level is holding. So still I will stay dynamic. That's true, I will stay dynamic for the both the moves, but yes, I will give little bit of importance to the long signals from here on, at least until this level is holding. So now if you see, coming to Nifty, until and unless in between these both zones, you can see 21,710 and 21,627, this is marked in red, and if you see remaining, these levels are marked in green line. So my expectation is it will stay in these zones. Even in the weekly analysis we adjust, but yes, yesterday's closing on below, we thought again we need to change the view, but again today it accepted back our levels. So still going with the same levels and same view, and whatever the changes, see, sometimes we need to make quick changes. So that time I usually update in our Telegram channel by considering all the levels. And yes, in the morning itself, long stay cautious and get ready for dynamic moves. You can see 1050 I have updated this. Now if you go into chart and see 1050 at this area I have warned, and long stay cautious, and thereafter you can see very good movement, right? So the similar case with here as well, but all this sort of updates you get in the Telegram channel, so make sure you join the Telegram channel. And coming to bank nifty levels, bank nifty I am particularly seeing support as 44,500 in the future charts, both are future charts also, okay, and thereafter I am seeing the first target as 45,000 643. But yes, as I say, this recent swing you can start booking from this recent swing, but if it is sustaining above 45,643, then I am looking for 46,202. And I am again saying that it's not like one candle closing green so we are switching directly to the reversal. No, there is also a logic. We have a important demand zone here. That's the reason we are looking forward, and we got a rejection from here as well. So yes guys, see you in the next video. Until then, this is Krishna signing off. Jai Hind.